right now. What this guy is doing?
So young, she's in shape, she's not disabled, she can walk, she can climb stairs twice a day. In fact, it's probably good for her. If she feels like wobbly or something, your mom is there to help her up and down. And then on top of it, we could get carpeting for the stairs. The